Greetings, amazing scholars, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I hope you and your family are well. Today, I will be talking about a cultural holiday called Kwanzaa. Before we get started, though, I would like for you to make sure you're in a very comfortable place and you're relaxed so that you can learn about Kwanzaa. The name Kwanzaa comes from the Swahili phrase Matunda ya Kwanza, which means first fruits. Kwanzaa was created by activist Maulana Karenga in 1966 based on harvest festival traditions from West, East, and Southeast Africa. During Kwanzaa, people light a kinara, a candle holder with 7 candles, 1 black, 3 red, and 3 green. Each night, families discuss one of the 7 principles of Kwanzaa, Nguzo Saba. There is singing, dancing, playing African drums, storytelling, and reading poetry. During Kwanzaa, people commemorate ancient and living cultural African traditions that reflect the best thought and practice in its reaffirmation of the dignity of the human person in community and culture, the well-being of family and community, the integrity of the environment, and the kinship with it, and the rich resource and meaning of people's culture. From December 26th to January 1st, families and communities come together to remember the past and to celebrate African American culture. The ideas and concepts of Kwanzaa are expressed in the Swahili language, one of the most widely spoken languages in Africa. The 7 principles which form its core were drawn from communitarian values found throughout the African continent. These principles are umoja, unity, kujichagulia, self-determination, ujima, collective work and responsibility, ujamaa, cooperative economics, nia, purpose, coumba, creativity, and imani, faith. Umoja, unity, is celebrated on the first day of Kwanzaa. On the second day of Kwanzaa, families talk about kujichagulia, which is self-determination. The focus of the third day of Kwanzaa is ujima, which is collective work and responsibility. On day 4 of Kwanzaa, families discuss ujamaa, cooperative economics. The topic of day 5 is nia, which means purpose. Kuumba is the focus of day 6 of Kwanzaa. Kuumba means creativity. Imani, or faith, is the focus for the seventh day of Kwanzaa, January the 1st. Usually on the sixth day of Kwanzaa, families and communities come together for a large traditional meal called a karamu. On January 1st, the last day of Kwanzaa, families come together to reflect and recommit to the 7 principles and other cultural values of Kwanzaa. Again, the 7 principles of Kwanzaa are umoja, unity; kujichagulia, self-determination; ujima, collective work and responsibility; ujamaa, cooperative economics; nia, purpose; kuumba, creativity; and imani, faith. Happy Kwanzaa, boys and girls. Beautiful and brilliant scholars, thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Please let us know what you've learned from this lesson. And again, happy Kwanzaa and Happy New Year. Before you go, don't forget that you can watch this educational video on YouTube. I will put a link in the description box. And you can support us by subscribing to this channel. We thank you again for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Have a beautiful day.